Wow, sharp. Woo. It's amazing, man. Wow. First time boarding the electric train. The first time I'm boarding the electric train in Lagos here. Wow. This is a very sweet experience. Wow. I love what I'm seeing here, man. This is my car ID. To board the train. Let's watch today's news there, man. So the door will actually open for the second time again, so for them to permit other people to enter the train. So as you can see, it's early, very early period of the day, and 6 something. So while enjoying my television, you can see from my Twitter Marina. Now it will be from Marina to my 2 if this train is about to come back. Believe me, mind you, this train has 2 coaches. I mean 2 drivers. One will drive us while going, and the other person will drive us while coming back. So that's actually how it operates. So someone, you can see the door is about to open again for the second time to allow next people to enter. You can see currently at Marina, we have stopped location Marina. So after it closes, the door closes for the second time, meaning we are about to commence the trip. This is very good, this is very cool, this is very smart. I actually love this, I enjoy it, and I'm proud of it. Very swift, very fast. Okay, quick one. Permit me to introduce to you a brand called Epic Computers. So they are specialized in selling laptops, iPhones, laptops for CBT centers, laptops for offices, laptops for Text Guru and Text Bro. So they are actually situated at Computer Village, Ikeja, Lagos. They have other branches in other states like Kwara State, Sokoto State, Osun State, and so much more. So if you are interested, shift them. You can contact the number you're seeing on the screen for call and WhatsApp. See interior, see smartness and simpleness, man. The door will soon shut down, man. It's soon shut and the journey will commence. Also by the time I need 6:56. So by 6:57, 6:58, about 7 o'clock, the movement will commence. And I have to tap out again using my cards. the same way I tapped him. So you can see it's giving a signal that the door is about to shut down. You can see the door has closed. So the trip will commence now. 6:57 on dot. There's no African time. That's why I love when you go people. You can see the time here, 6:57. But everybody will give 22 times straight because we are waiting for someone who Nigerian. You can hear that. So these are the places we are going to. From Marina to National Theatre, from National Theatre to Ole Gomo. My to Festa, from Festa to Alakija to Festa, and so much more.
Doors open on the right. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform while boarding or alighting the train. Arrive at the station.
So there are fines for people that smoke or that drop references in the train or that can initiate fire. They actually have fines for them. So 25,000 and this is very serious. You can see all these skyrocketed buildings here in Lagos. This is one of the beauty of Lagos, Nigeria. This CMS. CMS, one of the popular places in Lagos. You know. One of the popular places in Lagos. Obviously, Taj Bank, their head office in Lagos. Because we have big banks here. This first bank, as you can see, very obvious in the camera. So this is Sterling Bank. Sterling Bank have the most tallest building. They have the most tallest building, man. Yes. We have Jais Bank at Marina here too. So this is one of the most, I repeat, you can see Afriland Tower. This is one of the most industrialized places in Lagos. Most industrialized place in Lagos. We are missing at the other side here. We have the marine stations where the ship ports are been located for importation, exportation, and so much more. It's actually a really nice experience. Lagos for the first time, for the second time, it still looks new. The third time, it still looks. So I'm saying, I know you are enjoying these beautiful moments. You still want to keep washing away your worries, cleansing away your thinking, prevent overthinking, high blood pressure and other things. Just follow my page for therapy. You don't need to take any paracetamol, any diclofenac, painkiller, or any form of analgesic or muscle relaxant. My page is here to heal you all. Worry less, stay safe. Ensure we have your love at mind, and we are here to just give you the beautiful views of Lagos. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for following us. That's the most important right now. So follow this page for more. Please follow this page for more. Thank you. Tomiland Bridge, here we are. This is Tomiland Bridge, Lagos. Tomiland Bridge. You can still see it over there. Very, very long bridge. You can still see it from here. About 10 minutes ride. We are speeding with 80 km/h. So So Lagos is moving. Lagos moving. We are moving. Man. So we are here. Next station. The next station is National Theatre. You can see here, National Theatre is the next station. They will announce very shortly because the train has decelerated. So from my view here, you can see National Theatre from here. That's our National Theatre over there, from the picture there. This is our National Theatre. National Theatre.
We are arriving at National Theatre. Doors open on right.
We are here at the next train station, National Theatre. Just been announced now. And the door opens on the left. God bless Nigeria. So the door will open here for just 10 seconds. Seconds is not minutes, seconds. And it is shut down back, shut back. It is shut back. You can see the door is shut back. Then the transit continues. The movement continues to the next train station, which is Orile Igombe.
kí èsì àlàfo tó wà láàrin ọkọ̀ reluwé àti kékeré tó bá fẹ́ wọ inú tàbí sọ̀kalẹ̀ nínú ọkọ̀.
The next station is the Igombe station.
Let's listen.
Doors open on the left.
Okay.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform while boarding or alighting.
Okay. While boarding or alighting the train. So we'll be dropping at the next train station now. I will personally be alighting the next train station. I'll be dropping and highlighting at the next position now. And I'll be showing you all how I will tap out with my card. And enjoying it at this moment. This is too chilling. It's very chilling. So the next station is Igombe. You can see our other stations. So from Igombe, they'll be going to Alaba, Suru Alaba. From Suru Alaba to Maitu. currently at Alaba.
We are arrived
Orile
this
company.
afternoon. Doors open on left.
I can vividly see that we are here. So the door opens on the left. So I'm planning to go down now. So let the door open. Once the door opens, I leave the train. Tap the button, passenger the button. So God bless Nigeria, God bless Tinubu. You can see the train is very long, very massive.